Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a first time here at Novi Meadows 5th grade house in Novi, Michigan. In particular, though, I spoke to the PT club, the PreTeen club, after school program in a separate classroom right by the gym. Right now I'm in the cafeteria, but near a signage of what the central focus was for today's program, right? It was about choosing kindness. It was about choosing love over hate, over violence, and really trying to see people for who they truly are. So the overarching theme was bullying, but the sub-theme was look at the heart first, right? Be able to see and treat people the same way that you do your own best friend. And we think about our heart as big as our fist. If we can let love and peace fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign, because one finger is ourself, the other is for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, one breath, one action, one heartbeat, one word, 2 seconds. We can say something so kind, it stays on someone's heart in a great way for the rest of their life. Or we can say something so mean that it actually can destroy a life. It only takes 2 seconds. And for them to understand that, the students that were part of this talk today, the 5th and 6th graders, and they really got this message, it really sank in, but they started to see that they have this power, right, to make a difference even at a young age. And it only takes a couple of seconds to uplift or to bring down, to use that power for good, your influence for good, your popularity for good, or to use it to really hurt somebody and cut them so deep that it could stay on their heart for the rest of their life. And so the whole concept of any hurt or pain that we have, turning that into healing and hope, that was another part of today's lesson. We said how hurt people, one of the main reasons that bullying happens and why people don't show kindness, but that healed people heal people. And hopefully we choose the latter, right? That we become these healed people to help heal others around us by showing them the same kindness that was shown to us. And that's not always easy. It's not always easy to see someone for their heart first. And so through a series of stories and videos and songs, they really got to comprehend that even though it's difficult to move past some of people that have bullied us or what we're going through or will go through or have gone through, that we can choose greatness. Even though we have all this pain, we can still choose greatness. And it's so needed in today's world that we do choose what's on this wall, right? Not just verbally say it, but actually live it. Because there's so many around us that need to feel that love. So many around us that feel alone, and we can be that light to their heart. We can also help them see this too. Every one of us, on the palm of each of our hands, we have at least one in each hand. I trace one of mine here. We all have the letter M with the lines of our hand, right? And that M, on my shirt too, stands for miracle. Upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we need to do this as well because so many students that I reach out to, and even adults that come out and share their heart with me, tell me that they've never been told this, that they've forgotten this, that they just don't believe it. And for us to be that reminder for them, to know our own value first and foremost, and then go out and help others see that too in themselves, that's huge, right? To be that mirror for them, to be able to reflect that same love that we want to be shown, treat others the way that we want to be treated. And so again, just a very powerful talk. There were some tears, and tears are the sweat of our strength, started healing and feeling again. So I was happy to see that. But hopefully they continue to live this message as they go forward with their club, with their classes, with their school, with their community, with those friends and family that are closest to them. Thank you guys so much for touching my heart. You guys are all beautiful. Never forget that. Have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure you hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out the playlist of videos here for some extra motivation. And you can visit my website by clicking the peace sign link on your phone or tablet, wherever you're watching this, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.